Hi everybody, Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff here. Today I'm going to be making an appletini with maple syrup and cloudy apple juice. I'm in a collaboration called #DrinkTips. Also, the people in this collaboration are Chef Adventures, Just 88, Robbie P2 Vlogs and Cook Classy. So please stick with me, watch my video and enjoy the others. Check out the iCards that are coming along up there. Let's get to making this cocktail. So the first thing we've got to do is put a little bit of ice in here to chill the glass down. We put that to one side. Wash a bit of ice in the shaker. Just like that. It's about half full. Next up, we're going to add 4 centiliters of Vodka all the way to the top. I'm going to be a little bit cheeky, add a little more. Next off, we're going to add the same amount of apple juice. This is cloudy apple juice, so that's going to go in. Same again, 4 centiliters. And we give it a little bit more because we gave it a little bit more vodka. Next up, I'll be using for this appletini recipe 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. That goes in. And 1 teaspoon of pure maple syrup, which is roughly 5 milliliters. Let's just give that a bit of a stir. Tasting good already. Next thing what I'll do is give it a shake. So I'll wash the lid on and give it a going over. Now you shake it until the cocktail shaker goes icy and gets condensation on the outside. Next up, remove the ice from the glass, top up with your delicious cocktail. All we need now is an umbrella and a couple of cherries, just like that, and there we have it. So if you want to recap on the information on how to make an appletini with maple syrup, first off you're going to need 45 milliliters of vodka, 45 milliliters of cloudy apple juice, 5 milliliters of fresh lemon juice and 5 milliliters of maple syrup. It's as simple as that. Shout out to all the collaborators, check out their iCards. See you again. This is Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Thanks for watching.